Hey, Dr. Fisher, why are we only doing this exercise on one side?
Great question. So often with exercise that we're taught, we want to work on balance. Now, with the chiropractic biophysics work we do here, there's a subset of exercises called mirror image exercises, which effectively means we want to mirror you to put you in the correct position. This is a pretty oversimplistic representation, but if we have somebody who's shifted far off to the left here, our exercise is to get them to shift back to the right. Now, the reason we're just doing them to the right is because they're already shifted off to the left. We don't want to work to do these exercises just for generic, core stability, strengthening, stretching, things like this. We're actually working to restore the normal alignment to the body. So if we have someone shifted off to the left, we obviously just want to bring them back to the right. They're already off to the left. We don't need to go that way. So that's why some of the exercises we do in this office are intentionally one-sided only, because you want to work to restore balance with the body, not to further strengthen and stabilize it where it's at. So some of the exercises we really just have you doing going one side like that, if that's what we see on the films and then with the posture analysis. Great question. Thanks.
Yeah, cool.